So before we move to add in contacts, so as you can see here, we are using the HTML and we have here a red line telling us that using the HTML on components might break components. So to fix this problem, so you can use this package, which is the view DOM purify. So just we can install it, just copy the command and paste it. So let's paste it here and install it, and let's so we need to use it. So here you have the example how you can use it. So we need to import components. So let's use it inside app.js. So here we need to paste components and use it here. So we can use and here we paste. So hit save. So now we have done with setup. So let's move. So we can now use it here instead of using the HTML. So we can use view DOM purify HTML. So let's copy and paste here, and same thing here. Okay. So now we have fixed this problem. So save. Let's take a look. So now change. So we have the same links that we had before. So we can click and move between links. Okay. So now we are done with the HTML. We have fixed this problem. So let's move now to the next, which is adding the link so the user can add a contact. So let's bring the bootstrap navbar so you can use it. So let's move down, and here we have the navbar. So let's copy it from here, and we can move to our to our components, and let's add another folder, call it layouts, and here inside let's add the navbar.view, and here let's add structure. So let's remove here and add setup, and here scooped, and here let's remove space, and we can use the navbar here. So let's format the document, and now we have the links. So let's update this component. So here instead of using navbar, so let's add link, which is let's add not a link but just an icon, which is the home. Okay. And also here, as we have done here, so we need to import the link and use it here. So let's move down. So here we need to import the link and use it. Okay, so now we can use it instead of the default link that we have here. So we have the link, so it will take us to the home page. So here let's add the slash. So next what we have, so let's move down. So here we have the link for the home. So we have already added this link. So let's just remove all links from here, so we don't need them. And also the form, so we'll add our search component later, so we don't need search form. So here let's keep this link, so let's change it to link. And also, so let's see what we have here. So let's move everything down to be clear for you. So here we have a missing closing tag for the link. So let's move everything down and remove this extra from here. So what we need here, so we need to add an icon, which is FA plus. So we can add a new contact. Okay. And what else we need? So let's remove this one. So it will take us to the route that we have already defined, which is so not the post, but so it's the same, just one is get and one is post. Okay, so we can use the same thing. So it will take us to contacts slash, so here contact slash add. So don't forget to add slash here. So don't use only contact slash, so it will not work. So add slash contacts and add. Okay, so save. So now we will not see anything because we did not import navbar yet. Okay, so let's import it inside index, or not the index but inside contact list. So let's move here. So here we have the navbar. Okay, so let's do that now. So import navbar from, so it will be inside layout slash, and we have here the navbar. So now we can use it here. So let's copy, paste, and use the navbar here. And now save. Let's take a look. So as you can see, we have the navbar here. But where is the link? Why the link is not showing? Add-in link. So let's move to the navbar. Let's first add here rounded and see. So I think now it's better. But why the link is not showing? So here we have icons. We have the icon which is far plus. So why it's not showing? Let's use user plus. So that's why it's not showing. So user plus, not far plus. So let's refresh the page and see. And the link is not appearing. So as you can see, so we have nothing. So even though we have added the right icon. Okay, so I think that's the problem is inside app.blade.php, and I think here, so let's remove the link to our app.css file. So let's close this folder or this file. Let's see. So now as you can see, we have the link here. Okay, so later we will add, so we will add the fonts or the Google fonts here inside the file app.blade.php instead of using the app.css. So now let's remove the active class from here and save. And as you can see, this link take us to the home page, and this one take us to add in new contact. So now we don't have so let's move to the controller. Let's close this one and this one and also the navbar contact list. So let's move to the contact controller. So here, as you can see, so when we create or when we display the form for creating a new contact, so we need to display this component. So let's move to our pages, so not inside components but inside pages. So here we have home, so let's add another one and call it contacts. And here inside contacts, let's add contact dot view. Okay, so let's add structure, and here let's add setup, and here we have scooped, and here let's add div, and inside let's add new contact for now, and later we will add form. So save. Let's take a look. So here is required, which is contacts add contact.view. So we have already added this. So we have pages, contacts, and add contacts. So let's refresh the page and see. So let's click on add. So as you can see now, we have add new contact. So let's add the form. So first let's close this tab. Let's remove the text and add here a class. So the class will be container, and inside so let's organize the code here. So inside div, so we need another div with class row, and margin top and bottom of 5. And what else we need? So we need we need another div with call md6 and margin left and right auto and margin top of 5. And inside let's add another div with card, and here we have another div with card header and bg white, and inside we have h5 with text to center and margin top of 2, and here add new contact. Okay, so let's save and take a look. So as you can see, we have add new contact, but here we have missing L. That's why it takes more than 6 columns. Okay. So next, what we need to add card body. So here we have the head. So let's add card body, and card body will have form, and form, so it will have no action. We will add later the function. So once we submit the form, so we'll call it. Okay, so here let's add a div with row and a div with call md 6 and div with margin bottom or without the margin bottom. Let's add. So here let's give it 6. So we have missing 6. Let's add only div without margin bottom, and inside we need a label, and label will be for the name, and here let's add name and add a star to tell the user that this is a required field, and we need an input field which is of type text, and here so we don't need name and ID, but just for better practicing let's add here name and here also name. Okay, so what else we need here? So we need so let's first organize the code. So let's add also a class, and class will be form control. So let's add dash here, and let's add also a placeholder and give it name. Okay, and later we will add objects here inside the data object, and we will link the fields to the object properties. Okay, for now let's add just form, and later we will do that. So we have the name. What else we need? So we need so let's add another call md6. So we need email, and here the type is email, and also here we need email, and here email, here email, and here email. Okay, so save. Let's take a look and see. So we have name and email, and we need to do the same thing now. So let's copy this row from here and paste it here, and we need also, so we need email and we need phone of the contact. So here let's change it to phone, and here we have phone and phone, and here phone. Okay, so the next one, so let's add the job, and here let's give it the same name as the field, which is the job title. So here the type is text, and here job title, and here let's make it job. So save. Let's take a look. So we have the phone and the job, and I think that we need the margin bottom. So I was right when I added the margin bottom class. So we need it. So to have a margin bottom, as you can see, so we need to add them also to the first row. So here let's do the same thing, and here also we need the same thing. So save, let's take a look. So now, as you can see, it's better. Okay, so let's close, or let's close this row. So this row and also this row, and add the next fields. So the next fields what we have. So we have the company. So let's change it from phone to company. And here let's make it uppercase. And what else we need? We need the country. So let's change it from job title to country. And here also to country. Okay, so save, let's take a look, and here we have the fields. Okay, so we can add also, so let's add also a class to this form. So class form label. So save, let's take a look. So now it's better. So we are adding margin to the label. So let's add it also here. Let's open this and add it also here and also here. And what else we need? Let's open this and also here. And what else? Also here. So save, let's take a look. So now it's better. Okay, so now we have all the fields for the country code. So we'll add it later once. So we need to install a package to add the country flags. So we'll see later how to add the country flags. So for now, just add the button. So after the closing tag of this row, let's add of this div, let's add another one and give it margin top and bottom of 2. And here, so where is the margin top and the bottom of 2? And here we need a button, and the button will be submit. So where is it? So it will be submit, and here let's add submit, and let's give this button also class, and class will be, so let's give it beta n sm, beta n dark, and margin right of 1. So save, let's take a look. So here is our button, and since here we don't have the navigation menu to go back, so we need another one for canceling, but this one will be link instead of the button. So let's add here href, so it will take us to the home page, and here let's make it beta and warning, and here let's make it so it's already cancelled, so we don't need the margin right. So we need to import the link. So import link from so Inertia. So let's add Inertia view 3, and now we can use it. So if the user wants to cancel the add. Okay, so refresh the page. So as you can see, now we have the button. So if I cancel, so I will be redirected to the home page. Okay, so now we are done with the form. So what we need to do, we need to add objects, so we can link the form fields to our data objects, and also we need to add functions. So once we click on submit, so we need to call the routes that we have already defined here, which is the post. Okay, so let's do that now.